If you're looking to take those factory taillights on your 2010 and newer Mustang to the next level, well then you should definitely consider adding Raxiom's plug-and-play sequencer that we have right here. Now when installed, guys, this will apply that same awesome sequential pattern Ford uses on their turn signals to also now the brake lights, the hazards, and whenever you lock or unlock your ride. Now the two harness jumpers here will run you right around 50 bucks for the pair, while the install really couldn't be any easier. So figure a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the old difficulty meter and maybe 45 minutes at the most to get everything in place, as we'll show you later in the video. So I think I speak on behalf of the entire Mustang community when I say kudos to Ford for finally bringing back those sequential tail lights starting in the 2010 model year. Now, in my opinion, it was just a subtle touch of that retro styling that the car was desperately missing. However, that sequential pattern was only applied to the signals themselves, which left the door open for companies like Raxiom to come in and make things a little bit cooler. Now in this case, Raxiom produced a pair of these jumper harnesses here that plug in directly in line with your factory taillight harness. So with that said, there's no need for any cutting, splicing, or any permanent modification in that regard. Now once these little guys have been plugged in, it will now apply that same retro sequential pattern to things like your brake lights, your hazard lights, and every time you lock or unlock your ride. Now this isn't some major transformation here or anything like that, rather a small touch of customization that a lot of our customers think is really cool, especially judging by the numerous 5-star reviews here on the site. And as always, guys, feel free to read up on those if you haven't already done so. But now we want to show you just how easy it is to get these guys installed at home. So again, plug and play job, and to show you how easy things are, here's that detailed walkthrough and a quick tool breakdown.
So the first step of this install is going to be to pop the trunk lid and remove the interior panel from the inside. We're going to remove the retaining clips holding in the panel. Next, there are 2 Christmas tree clips that hold the panel in. I'm just going to use the panel itself to remove them. Now you can unplug your taillight harness. And now we're going to plug in the jumper harness to our taillight connector. Now you can just reinstall the panel and you're all wrapped up. And that's going to wrap up this review and install of the Raxiom taillight sequencers for your 2010 to 2020 Mustangs. Thanks for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.